All right, this is Mr. Petrie again, and in this problem, we're looking at, finding out how many books the two girls read. Really what we're doing is we are adding mixed numbers. So there are two different ways that we can do this. The first way, we can add the wholes together and then deal with the fraction parts. The other way, we can change everything into an improper fraction and deal with it that way. So we're going to look at, what happens if we do just deal with the wholes first and then the fraction parts separately. So, one of the strategies we can use is always to draw a picture. So I have a whole, so I've got, two wholes here and a third, and I'm adding to that 1 and 3, 4, 4/5. Okay, so I'm adding these parts together, and straight off the bat, I can see I've got 3 wholes. So that's the first thing we can do, is we can add the whole numbers first, because this is the same as 2 plus 1/3 plus 1 plus 4/5, and I can add my whole numbers first. I can deal with those first. And then I've got 1/3 and 4/5 left to deal with. And at this point, I can use any of my strategies for solving, adding fractions with unlike denominators. I can see that I've got my whole, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this, again, using my knowledge of equivalent fractions. I'm going to make this 5/15 and 12/15 here, and then I'm going to add these two together, and I've got 17/15. Well, I know that this, because it's an improper fraction, is greater than 1. So I actually have 1 and 2/15. Again, I can add now my wholes together, and that gives me 4 and 2/15. And there is my final solution. So you can add the wholes, then add the fraction parts, and then add anything else over together, because we're just combining.